Self-examination of history challenges to confront biases, questions assumptions, and acknowledge the nuances of historical narratives. It helps us recognize the interconnectedness of events to the multi-facet nature of human experiences. Through this introspection, we will bring a deeper appreciation for the complexity of our world and the diverse perspectives that shape. Ultimately, self-examination in history empowers us to learn from the past, confront injustice, and to strive for a more equitable and vibrant future.
Literature. According to Brown and Miller 2020, investigate the role of metacognition in history learning and its impact on academic performance. The study involved a group of students who were trained in metacognitive strategies, such as self-questioning and self-monitoring, while studying historical topics. The findings revealed that students who utilize metacognitive strategies demonstrate higher levels of historical understanding and perform better on assessment compared to those who did not engage in metacognition. The information indicates that metacognitive skills play a crucial role in history learning, as they enable students to monitor their own thinking processes and make adjustments to enhance their comprehension and retention of historical information.
Executions of recreational activities guidance. Card-based gameplay. Players use cards with historical descriptions to engage in the self-examinations activity. 30 seconds time limit. Each player has only 30 seconds to read and process the historical descriptions on their cards. Self-reflections. After reading the description, players reflect on their knowledge of the historical events or topics and answer related questions. Scoring system. Players earn points based on the accuracy of their answer and the depth of their self-reflections. Competitive or collaborative. The game can be played in a competitive mode where players compete against each other, or in a collaborative mode where players work together to discuss and analyze the historical topics.
Pick a card. Within 30 seconds, you have to answer. 30 seconds starts now. Is over. Now, let's hear what's your answer and your self-reflection about that person. Seconds are now over. Now, let's hear the player's answer. Player one, let's hear your answer. And let us hear.
It's important that the owners of the race of their own land. My answer is please.
Now please give your self-reflection about your activity.
She was the one who had the language of the mother of
Let's hear the players who's answer. Sparkling is a good illusion. Cultivating many places the Spanish for the tradition. Your answer is correct. Now, both of their answers are correct. Give both of them a 1 point each. Now let's take the next player, the player 3 and 4.
Pick a card. Within 30 seconds, you have to give your answer. now read the description on the card. Player 3, what is the correct answer? Your answer is wrong. The correct answer is Antonio. Now, player 4, can you read the description on the card?
The Egyptian presidents of the strong state and was elected first president of the new republic of 311.
You may now add the self-reflections based on your answer.
Iibig na gano'n, alam na first president of the celebrated sa grupo para sa mga Israel.
Your answer is correct. So player 4, you will receive 1 point, and player 3, you will receive 0. Now, player 3, you may face our consequences. Here is our consequences. Take the consequences. Now, we may read the consequences. The next scenario will be the consequences of player 3. Confess a lie you would told in the past. Player 3 now may confess. Sinabi ko sa lola ko nagagawa Why self-examination is difficult? To be able to make progress in any area of your life, you need to know who you are, what you want, and what steps to take to get there. Asking yourself the necessary questions before you start will allow you to go the correct path. This is what self-examination is all about. In doing this kind of self-examination, critical thinking and to give value, giving knowledge about those persons is still doing this kind of activity. The players use cards with historical description to engage in the self-examination. Then, each player has only 30 seconds to read and process the historical description on their card. Then, they have to learn about the past and also give an inspiration or motivation to all the students. In addition, self-examination to reflect knowledge of the historical event and doctrine, we have understanding also to give value from our history.